Here. In the funnel. There we go. Drop it. There you go.
That's something that was that's not constitutionally if it was.
So welcome to the next episode. I don't even know what episode we're up to of Dwelling Story. This is me decorating and organizing my new house. And today we're gonna work on my master closet. I'm very excited. So behind me is our master closet. And as you can see, there's no door on it because we, the original master closet design had the door that opened in like this. And that was gonna be like in the way of my plans. So I asked for them not to put the door on. And so I'm going to organize it a little better today. And say hello to Clover James. Hello, hello, hello. So here is the master closet. It is, how big is it in here? It's like 5 feet by like 6 feet. Almost, well, maybe a little more than that because there's 6 feet on that wall. But my husband's side is over here, and my side, of course, you can see with the colorful skirts, starts over there. And as you can see, I have slightly, do I have less room? I think we have an equal amount of room. However, he's got many more drawers than I have. I only have that one bank. And I have this weirdness over here. So as you can see, the door was gonna take up that much space. So I didn't plan for any solution there, but we've got this weird shoe rack there that doesn't match the rest of the closet because the rest of the closet has all these like silver accents. And yes, maybe I could spray paint this, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna rehome this somewhere else. What are you doing? You are a silly boy. Oh my goodness, I can't with you. I just can't. So I've got, so my plan is to put a mirror here and to have a little shelf there for some of my jewelry because I've been keeping my jewelry on these little plates and I'm kind of digging that. I'm kind of digging that whole system. Rather than having a jewelry box, I just like these little plates where I can stick my earrings on. I'm loving it. So I'm going to have that little tray there. It's going to match these shelves. And there's a, hello? There's a shelf down there that's not really doing anything, like this guy. So I think, here's my strategy, right? I think I can put this guy up there, like the top one, you know? Because it's above the door frame, so it's not gonna be in the way of my coming in or anything, but it'll just be like a little extra storage for like shoes and stuff. And I'm gonna put some more shoe storage down here, but it's gonna be not as weird as this because this is weird because it's slightly large. Look, it sticks out a little bit and it bothers me. Hello. It sticks out a little bit and it bothers me, you know? You guys, you know what I mean because this little part of the closet here, I think this is only like 5 inches or so, maybe 6 inches. So I gotta fix it, right? Right. He's so funny, you guys. So I just picked up my order from the Container Store. I've got a mirror here, a little shelf, an extra standard, a little utility track. Probably, I hope the fittings are in here. Yeah, the fittings are in there, and a bin for the bathroom, and then the shoe racks. So the bin has nothing to do with this closet project, but I'm gonna put it in my bathroom anyway. Hi. Yes, this is my little shadow. He follows me everywhere. But first, we're gonna have some coffee. By the way, how do we feel about my eyeshadow today? I don't know. I don't do very well with like experimenting with like blue and like weird colors, but I know. I don't think it's bad. I need to watch some more beauty channels for sure. So I think one of the first things I'm gonna do is I'm going to go through my stuff and see if I need to declutter, which sucks. But I gotta be honest about the stuff. I think most of my dresses are probably gonna stay. I've been actually wearing those a lot because it's summer and it's hot. But well, today I'm a Pokemon trainer, so not wearing a dress today. But I think some of this stuff maybe can go, but probably not. Maybe more in those. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Lightning strikes by my window.
So this corner hasn't been cleaned for months. Look at the dust. Ew. I'm very excited to be cleaning this right now. All right, I gotta go to the container store to get something cut again, and I'll be back. Okay, so after some forcing, I got the whole thing up. I'll show it to you. So here it is. Actually, I'll come out this way and I'll show you what that looks like. Actually, I'm really happy with that shelf up there. It's a little blanky spot right there, which I don't know. I guess I could put another shelf, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. Maybe I'll I don't know what I'm gonna do there, but got the little accessory shelf, which is awesome. I wish it were in the same universe as that one, but it's just not something that can be. But I've got the shoe thing there. I don't mind it. It just clears, so it doesn't stick out as much as the other thing, which is awesome actually. Look, it's a really good job. But it's not perfect. I think I'm definitely gonna cover up the holes, and this whole utility track hack that I did was not the best, gotta be honest. I should have just put a wall mounted standard here, but I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to do the drilling, but it doesn't look that bad. And I think I'm just gonna try and put the jewelry things there because I really like this, and I like having a mirror here. Hello. In other news, I have made a mess. I do have to clean this up in the next, what time is it? 4:46. So I think I have an hour to clean this up because I have to do my podcast. But I think I'm going to go through my closet really quickly and then give you a little after closet tour. I don't know what I've been doing in here. I feel like this action should be just a little bit lower. I don't know. Maybe it's fine. I think it's fine. I actually really like that the shelf now goes all the way up to the end there, and because it's not intrusive. It's just because this is way under my head, and I can walk in and I'm like, oh, because look how perfect that is. That's pretty cool. All right, yay! Now I'm happy. Okay, I fixed the shelf in the bathroom. I think that's a nice arrangement. I might need to lower that top shelf down just a little bit Yeah, I think that's actually a really good idea because I feel like that's up really high. But it looks nice, and that speaker doesn't need to be like at, you know, a place where I can touch it because we can control it with our phones. That plant gets cycled out because it needs to get some light. I do leave the lights on for it a lot, but it does need sunlight. This is not looking too bad. I found this for my jewelry, and I think I'm gonna hang it up there because I don't often go and get my necklaces, so I think it's okay if it's up there. I might need to put the top track cover on that because I can't stand that I can see like the screws and stuff. So I'm gonna put some top track cover on, and then I'm gonna put my jewelry thing there, and then I think I'll be done. I really like the way that it's turning out. This might be a 2-day project, so we'll see how much I can get done before the podcast starts. Okay, here's where we are now. So hello, you can see me in the mirror again. I'm actually really excited about this. I love the way that it's turned out. It feels very like New York boutique in here. I don't know if you know the vibe I'm meaning when I say New York boutique, like Brooklyn boutique, but for some reason it feels very Brooklyn boutique in here. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so I've got my accessory corner here, which I love. With this shelf, I put my glasses there, all my little like jewelry bowls, and this is like nice jewelry my husband gave me. Sheldon here, my ring holder and all that stuff, my glasses, and I need to deal with these. But I did put my necklaces up there, and I'm actually digging it. I dig the way that they're just kind of randomly up there. I don't wear necklaces a lot, so because I decluttered my necklaces like a great deal, and those were like the really important ones. My favorite one here though is look, this little teacup. How cute is that? Like, hello, that is adorable. But I don't really wear necklaces a lot, so I don't need to go up there a lot. But I did put the top track cover on. I was trying to figure out what it's called. I put that one on too, so I don't have to look at top track. And I did put the hole covers for the standards. I didn't put them on all of them, so you can see, because like I can't see the holes in the standards like over here. So you can see on my husband's, I didn't cover those because, I mean, why bother? But I can see these, so I just covered them and they look a lot better. I should cover those holes. Actually, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to clean up this stain here. But it's looking pretty good. I got to go get ready for the podcast, but I will finish this project tomorrow. I'm actually very happy with that shelf up there. I think that's awesome. Good job, Kay! Good morning. It's like 5:43 a.m. 5:44. I'm trying to get up earlier just to have a few hours to myself and get some work done because I find that I'm more productive early in the morning, but I had trouble sleeping last night, so I'll probably need a nap at some point during the day. I guess they're going to collect my car at some point, take it to the dealer, do some service on it. They're doing like a pickup service, which is kind of cool, so that's fun. Which reminds me, I've got to make sure my phone is ready to receive random calls. I have it turned off to like only receive calls that are in my contacts because spam. But I thought I would come on here and show you the porch, maybe. Love the way the porch turned out. It's just so cute. I gotta get some more of that that privacy screen to go over there, but got the herbs, got the whole thing, so I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy my coffee, and then I'll see you guys later. Alright, I'm gonna grab some coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!